Hello everyone. Hello family. Maganda hapon. Today I'm going to make adobo. Alright. So the first thing is to marinate the meat. So this is how I marinate the meat. So this is how we are going to marinate the meat. This is pork belly and garlic. We marinate by using garlic. Alright, garlic, put it there. Then whole black pepper. And then soy sauce. Yep, like that. And then mix for marination. Alright, you can see how it is after marinating. So we'll wait for some time. Now we are going to start cooking. So these are the ingredients here: vinegar, onions, eggs, potatoes, peppers, and garlic. And the first thing I'm going to do is to boil the marinated meat together with the onions and bay leaves. Alright, the marinated meat. Add some little water. Yes. And the vinegar. Now cook the mixture for some minutes. So I'm going to cover it and wait it cook. See, everything is mixed there, so we're gonna cover and wait until it cooks. So now the meat is done, it's tender, so we are going to the last step. So we're gonna add peppers, garlic, salt, and other ingredients. Now let's go to the last step. Add the garlic and the pepper. And add the meat. And then add the potatoes and the eggs. And check for the taste before you add some little salt. Okay, we add some very little salt. To the taste. Now the adobo is ready. Alright, it's time to taste it. So I'm gonna test the adobo. Wow, this is perfect adobo. You see, the meat is very tender, the taste well balanced, Everything is perfect. It's wonderful. So, after watching this, you subscribe to my channel, share it, comment. Your love is needed. It's Masunga John. Paalam, kwaheri, goodbye, Jane.